Welcome to APK Templates. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to extract application from Play Store. So just hover over the extract APK and click on Google Play. For now I just want to extract application information, that's why I'm just click new apps and it will redirect me to the Play Store URL. Choose any apps whatever you want. For now I just choosing backdrops wallpaper and copy the URL from here and go back to the previous window and paste it here. Click post now. It will extract all the information like application name, application size, application publisher. Everything is filled out automatically. You nothing need to do for it manually. For now that's why it takes a few seconds. You can see everything is extracted. If I click on edit, it will take me to the edit page, and here you can see all the download button and download links, everything is fulfilled. If I click on tick mode, it will show me the mode badge in home page, and here all thing is extracted, but you can select the subcategory from here. For now I'm just selecting a subcategory and click publish, and for safety purpose I just want to test download the link is working properly or not. I'm just clicking download button from here, and the download timer is started now, so wait until it's end. You can see download button is visible, and if I click it, it will redirect me to the Play Store. That means it's working properly. That's it for today guys. Thank you, have a great day.